course he stops. Well, shit. You ready? 3, 2. You ready? Alright, hold on. Alright, you ready? 3, 2. Ready? No. 1, 2, 3. Right one. This one's a little heavier. Just to weed it up. 1, 2, 3. Great success.
Oh yes. All right, great success at the first walker spot, as y'all saw in this episode and the last one.
Yes.
Off to a great start.
The pigs in the field are not doing too hot. No witnesses.
No witnesses. We headed up top, as y'all saw, and struggled with some cows, so we finally got those taken care of. And check the camera, there's 2 big ones and like 8 little ones at the other spot. So we're hauling butt over there. And the other thing,
Hopefully they're still there.
yeah, so it's like 9:50 right now. Feeder goes off at 10, so we're hustling.
Just turned. You good? You still good? 3, 2. I'm out of fucking bullets.
Dang, I suck. Just pop up there?
Yeah.
Dang it, oh, this fucker's in. Jesus Christ. You suck. They're not exactly the easiest thing to hit.
Hold on, hold on. Shoot him. Did you get him?
Yeah, there's one more running.
All right, guys. It's windy. We forgot the mics in the truck.
Yeah, we were in a rush.
But we got 6.
Bad
Ran out of
bad
bullets.
shooting.
Ran out of bullets. I mean, it really wasn't that bad of shooting, but
Yeah. No.
it just
Patience on the 2 at the kills. Just the single out in the field. We had a pretty good group.
someone ran out of bullets, so there's some lucky pigs.
Yes. Caught that.
But
It's approximately.
I think it's not too windy like it was last weekend. We're gonna see what happens. We'll call a little bit, and then we'll cut it off here. If we get something called in, we'll throw it in. But I guess we'll catch you at least over there.
Yep.
With microphones.
All right. It's now 1:45.
Okay.
We did not have great success calling. We got a singular fox, as you saw. Then we called it because the wind picked up terribly.
Yeah, it's like 30 mile an hour.
So we had backed up and we were making our way out of the pasture, and we were scanning the field, and Kolby had spotted 2 or 3 that we just couldn't ever even pigs that we couldn't even try to get on. And then we just kept moving, and then I spotted one across the field. Kolby jumped out, smoked it. We didn't film any of that because we were just trying to get home. So
yeah, we got thermal footage of it, but
yeah,
you'll see that. But we're gonna wrap it up for tonight. We're gonna go out again tomorrow night and see what we can knock down. All right.
a little more. Alrighty, little slow start tonight. Finally got something on camera. We're heading over to the canyon right now.
Yep, we got one on camera, so we'll see if we can't get him knocked down, and then hopefully the other ones show up. There's at least 2 showing up at the west pasture right now, and then there's a group of about 6, I think, showing up at the flat feeder, but we'll go see if we can get this one in the canyon right now.
We'll see you there.
All right. You good? Yep. 3, 2.
Well, as y'all saw, great success in the canyon.
Yes.
Shot at some redfish, no luck.
Yeah.
I sent like 300 yards, so oh well.
But there's one on camera in the west pasture. We're heading over there and see if we can't get on him, and then we'll see if any more show up. But I guess we'll catch on when we get over there to the feeder. You good? 3, 2. All right, guys, we got that one there in the west pasture. Forgot the mics again, so sorry about that.
Yelling. Slow evening, 2 good pigs though. I'll
Yes.
take that. So
had a good night last night though. We got those 7 and that one fox. But it's, I don't know, it's only about midnight right now, but last night we had a long night and still got to do stuff tomorrow, so we're gonna wrap this one up.
hope you enjoyed.
Yes, go check us out on Instagram. There's lots of little short videos and pictures and stuff like that that I put on there. But our light just turned off. I don't know if you can still see us.
No?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Perfect.
But other than that, I guess, like he said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. We're going to get it wrapped up. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the last video. We'll see what happens on the next one, I guess.
Yep.